Babe, Nanay, and my only joy. First of all, I want to thank God because He gave you to me. You're so beautiful, and I remember the time when we were at San Sebastian Church.
Sinong mag-aakala na dahil lang sa kakulitan ng isang kaibigan na pa-oo ako sa daan habang minamadali ng taxi driver. And now, here we are standing in front of God making our vows.
I pray that it would be you, and God truly gave you to me. Thank you, Lord.
Is it any wonder we're still here?
Simula nang makilala kita ng lubusan, doon na ako nahulog sa'yo at hindi na nakaahon pa.
Thank you, babe. For the past 7 years, we've been together. Through all the ups and downs, you've always there. You stay even during the times when we had nothing.
Yung gift ko sa inyo, naka-customize yan ng kung ano yung for you guys talaga na stone. Kasi charm talaga siya. So, anong wini-wish ko for you, andyan yan.
Hi babe, I know poging-pogi ka ngayon. Sana magustuhan mo to. Next time na lang yung Rolex. Pag mayaman na tayo, see you later. Wow, ganda naman. Uy, ang ganda ha. Wow, ganda ng watch ni tatay.
Ikaw ay Everjoy. Sumasaan ka ba mag-iasawa si Kit Christopher? Narito ngayon natin susubatas malintuntuan di ba ng simbahan?
Opo.
Ikaw, Kit Christopher, paling susubatas malintuntuan di ba ng simbahan?
Opo, Pato.
Bubuso ba ang pagkalaman sa iyong sarili bilang kanyang asawa?
Opo, Pato. The wood that never heals. Cheers! Bibigay ko sa inyo to kasi alam kong mahaba na yung mga buhok niyo sa mukha. At sa'yo, Popoy, especially sa'yo, wala na mga haba sa'yo.
In the shadow I know.
Siyempre, may nakikita ako yung magiging asawa ko na sobrang ganda. Siyempre, baka ma-shock ako bigla. Baka nga wala akong masabi kasi baka tumulo yung laway ko eh. Oh. Hindi luha, laway.
close, keeping me here in the light. 'Cause there's nothing that I wouldn't.
Sa gandang laang ng ating kasal, o naman mangkarmo at masaya ang pagdiriwan ng bukunang araw na inyong pagsasama. Kundi sa tagal na inyong pagsasama, hanggang saan kayo na kayo ay manatili sa isa't isa. Kaya na tunay na pag-ibig. Kaya habang isang ay maging tapat tayo sa isa't isa.
Look the moment.
Pogi naman ang mahal ko. To nanay, we love you nanay. Kaya eto, new member si W. Enjoy your new car. Alam kong gusto mo na gumala. Love you nanay. Waiting na misat. Taro na mataas.
For all my shortcoming and mistake, I want to say sorry, right here and now. And thank you because we're finally at this point where we'll be together for the rest of our lives. I love you, babe, and God bless us. Cheers to my beloved wife and beautiful wife.
There's nothing that I wouldn't do. No, there's nothing that I wouldn't do. So I'll hold on.
You spoil me. You give me so much, even without me asking. You embrace my flaws and accept me completely, the whole me. I may not be as vocal, but I really appreciate everything that you do, especially now for our little family.
Anyway, anything, always.
Cheers sa masayang pagsasama. Hindi ra. Cheers! Cheers!
You were also beside me when I become successful. Because of you, I changed for better. You're the one of the biggest reason for everything.
I promise to choose you every single day, to stand by you through everything, and to love you the best way I can. In this lifetime and the next. I love you.
There's nothing that I wouldn't do. There's nothing that I wouldn't do. There's nothing, nothing. There's nothing that I wouldn't do.
Here's 5